Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so first thing for the burrito bowls, I've got a pan on medium-high heat. Then I've just got some frozen cauliflower rice. So I've actually grated that cauliflower and frozen it myself. So we're just going to cook that. That's still frozen. We're just going to cook it until it warms through. So when the cauliflower is nice and hot and most of the liquid's evaporated, because it's frozen, it can have a fair bit. I'm just going to get a pinch of salt in, give it a bit of a stir, and then transfer it to my bowl. Okay, so then pan back on the high heat, and I'm just going to get a bit of oil in, a pound, so 500 grams of beef mince or ground beef. Great, so we're just going to get that in, and then for that much meat, I use half a teaspoon of salt and 3 teaspoons of ground cumin, which is actually a tablespoon, so we'll just save time. 3 teaspoons equals 1 tablespoon, beautiful. And I'm just going to cook this, stirring to break it up until the meat's brown. So when the meat's browned and no longer pink, basically, I don't worry about browning it too much. I'll just get it off the heat, and then you just serve up as much as you, or as little as you need, and I'll save the rest of this for later, depending on how hungry you are. And then to finish, I'm going to get some sour cream, or you could use avocado. And I should have said, you don't have to use beef with this. Like, you can use any protein, and actually, if you wanted to use a combo of beef and black beans or something like that, that would work really well. But the cumin's a really nice seasoning for it. So I'm going to put some sour cream on. And if you wanted to use avocado instead, that's good too. Or a cashew sour cream. And then I'm going to use some salsa, or hot sauce would work really well. And then I'm going to go with some coriander leaves, just to make it look pretty. And if you wanted to make it a bit more substantial, like some cashews are nice with it too. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.